People are gonna freak out when they see this reveal. What's cool about this is that it's inspired by sand art, but this is actually sugar art, and you can eat this one. Today, I'm gonna show you how to turn this into this. Boom! How you like that? I would love to see you let your imaginations go wild and show me what you come up with this technique, but make sure to tag me in it because you saw it here first, baby. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna show you how to do this wonderful sugar art. I have a beautiful stencil of the New York skyline, and I just put a little piece of tape down, and I'm gonna start with a little bit of piping gel at, like, you know, the ice cream shop that write happy birthday. This is that stuff. I'm going to smear it on. So the reason why I use piping gel instead of water is because the piping gel will take a lot longer to dry than, say, the water would. And what's nice about the piping gel is that it's translucent. So now that I got my piping gel where I want it, next thing I'm gonna do is take my stencil off. I'm going to do that very carefully. The only thing with this cake that's a deal breaker, it's gotta be done in fondant. Now you can kind of see my skyline. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in there and I'm going to embellish a couple little details in the building. So I'm gonna make a couple like little dots so that it'll look like windows. This is actually where you wanna be an artist and be precise and kind of do little things that look cool. So this is where you could really embellish and have some fun. So now that I got my design all done, I just got some different colored sugar. I'm just gonna kind of pour it on. Now we're gonna go into some blue here. Boom, look at that. I feel like a kid again. Okay, we're gonna go into the orange. You know, a lot of people say, could you buy this? You could buy it, or you could just dye regular old sugar. So they have this type of sugar called sanding sugar. With the sanding sugar, you can get that almost like whimsical tie-dye feeling by just using sugar. And what's nice about it, it actually gives a little dimension and crunch to the texture of the cake. Can you imagine showing up at a party and seeing a cake like this, and then it comes time for the big reveal? All right, here we go, baby. Is that pretty cool or what? I mean, look at all the details and the skyline, the New York on top. Come on, look how awesome that looks. It was a ton of fun, and you can get so creative, whether you're doing a portrait of someone, whether you're doing something that's floral, whether you're doing a baby reveal party. Can you imagine it saying, it's a girl on there? I mean, that would be pretty incredible. How about a proposal cake? Will you marry me? Remember, you saw it here first, so you better tag me in all your creations, and I want to see what you guys come up with. Like, share, and subscribe, or tell a friend. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.